Not to reveal anything, so go ahead.
Markus Rothkötter is here.
It's me, Finn Sübergrüb. Markus is coming later.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Then we start now.
Hi, I'm Finn Sübergrüb, one of the founders of Trenux. Last week, I had a date with a beautiful girl in a theater. I told her that I developed a huge idea of transporting everything with my bike. So she laughed and asked, hey, let's go to the supermarket and get everything for a 5-course menu. That was a problem. We sent our prototype here to the Eurobike judges. As soon as it comes to all-day transportation, your normal bike is not your favorite one. You could use bicycle bags, but they're often too small. Or you could buy an extra cargo bike, but a cargo bike isn't always your loved bike. So we found a solution how we could add a huge amount of extra cargo space to all bikes. In your normal life, when you're driving at the Eurobike stage like Markus now, Trenux is small like a trailer, like a cargo rack. But as soon as you want to transport your new dishwasher, Trenux will transform to a trailer.
So we wanted to create a really sophisticated and intuitive user experience. Therefore, it is really easy to detach the trailer with the quick releases, and we added a really cool feature. Simply twist the drawbar, and it even follows you into the supermarket. And we really care about safety. So our locking mechanism automatically snaps into position when you need it. And once done with your transport, you can simply refold Trenux like it unfolds. We had a dedicated handle for opening the trailer, so we added an easy-to-find grip to close the trailer. And the best thing about it, it fits onto every bicycle, even if you have already a bike rack or not. To fit all these features into one product, it needed nearly 2 years of development and lots of hours in the workshop. But together, we form a striking team by combining Finn's talent for organization with my proficiency in technical design. As we are both enthusiastic engineering students, we share this passion for projects like this since the first semester. And as we are to finish our studies this year, it is a start to start into the new future of urban mobility. So see you in autumn when our crowdfunding campaign launches.
Thank you very much.